Hello everyone, I'm Lavina Bharwani and he's Kabir. And welcome back to Yoga and You. We are back with episode 3 from our series Pilates for Kids. And guess who's going to tell us about episode 3? As always, Kabir.
I'm excited for episode 3 because I created these exercises.
The exercises in this episode are inspired by some of the famous sports movements. Isn't that exciting? Let's get going on the mat. Exercise number 1 is called the football kick. Let's get started by standing at the edge of the mat. Let's walk forward and kick with our right leg. Go back, come back and kick with the left. Keep doing that until your legs feel nice and strong. Raise your legs nicely high without losing your balance. And also without losing the smile on your face. That's great. That's it. And come back to neutral. Legs together. Exercise number 2 is called hoop the basketball. Firstly, bring your legs together, squat. Imagine a basketball in your hand. Come up and jump and hoop with your right hand. Go back down. This time it's the left hand. Jump and hoop. Right and left. Right and left. Beautiful. Right and left. Come back to neutral. Exercise number 3 is called the volleyball launch. We are starting lying down on the mat, legs slightly closer to each other. Now we are going to sit up, come up, take our right hand and launch the volleyball down and the other side. Just how in volleyball we use our wrists and our fingers as well to push the ball, we're going to do the same here. Ape the same movement. For a few more counts. 1 and 2. Relax. Moving on to exercise number 4 called the swimming abs. Starting, sitting, and now we are lying down on the abdomen, placing our legs down and hands forward. Stretch like someone's trying to pull you from the front. Head remains up, hands up in the air, and let's imitate the swimming movement. Hands go up and down. At the same time, our legs are also flapping. Let's do it again. Continue. Swim, swim, swim. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Come and sit gently and relax with your back straight. Exercise number 5 is called the cricket Pilates defense. Here we are going to imitate the cricket defense movement, and let's start with the edge of the mat and one leg forward, lunge and defend. Go back, change your leg. Our legs get really strong in this movement. On the right and left. The core is also burning. Let's keep going. Look forward and stop that ball. One last time. And that's it. Legs together. The last exercise for this episode is called the running Pilates. Let's just run in place and increase our endurance along with our core strength. Faster, Kabir. Yay, that's great. Keep going. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, With that, we end episode 3 from the series Pilates for Kids. These exercises improve your core strength, endurance, and also concentration. Please do try them at home and thank us later.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. But until then, bye.